Do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, I will show you how to draw floor plan for multi-story building and how to add different blocks to the drawing by using Design Center in AutoCAD. So let's get started. Okay, so I have already created this ground floor plan in my previous video. Now, as I told before that I will provide multi-story front elevation, sectional elevation of the same building. So these will be my next videos. So including this, column layout plan, footing foundation and how to fix column will also be provided. So don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of all new updates. Alright, so now I'll create first floor plan and I'll add different blocks to our drawing. So let's get started. So here we have this ground floor plan which I have already created in my previous video, and I'll start by creating the first floor plan. So this is the ground floor plan which I have already created in my previous video. So here I'll create the first floor plan. So here this is the north south direction. So this is west, this is east, this is north and this is south. Now this is the bedroom, 14 feet 6 inch into 11 feet. This is the toilet, 8 feet 6 inch into 7 feet. Now this toilet is attached to this bedroom. This is another bedroom, 14 feet into 11 feet. This is the toilet, 8 feet into 8 feet. This toilet is attached to this bedroom. Now this is another toilet, 8 feet 6 inch into 6 feet. This is living cum dining area, 18 feet 6 inch into 14 feet 5 inch. Now this is the kitchen, 10 feet into 11 feet. Now this is the veranda, 5 feet into 9 feet 8 inch. Now this is the staircase, 10 feet into 7 feet with 2 feet 6 inch landing. This is the portico, 10 feet 10 inch into 7 feet 10 inch. Okay. So this is the ground floor plan which I have already created in my previous video. Now this side is 31 feet, this is 50 feet. Okay. So this is 1550 square feet area. So this is the ground floor plan. Now I'll create the first floor plan. Okay. So here I'll create this first floor. Now we need to move this window to this side, okay, because in middle of this wall there is a column, so we cannot provide window here, so we need to move this window. So for that, give offset command or enter. Now give offset distance 1 feet. Now select this line, click here. Now move this window to this point. Okay, so move and enter. Now select this and it's the best point, move to this point because there is a column. Okay, now delete this line. Okay, so in first floor all rooms will be same as ground floor, only portico and veranda, this portico will be changed to a balcony or a utility area of this kitchen, and this veranda will be a balcony. Okay, this balcony will be a cantilever balcony. Okay, because there is no column is provided over here. Okay, so this balcony will be created with cantilever beam. Now cantilever beam is the beam which is fixed at one end and unsupported or free means hanging on air at the other end. Okay, so cantilever beam carries the load and transfer it to this support in form of moment and shear force. Okay, so this is the cantilever balcony. Okay, so I'll create the first floor plan on the ground floor. Okay, I'll create the first floor above this. Okay, no need to create the first floor completely, no need to draw the first floor completely. So because in first floor all the rooms are same as ground floor. Okay, so select and copy this to this side because I'll create on this. I'll create the first floor on this. Okay, so here the portico will change to utility area. Okay, so I'll rename this as utility. Okay, so this will be the utility area of the kitchen. Okay, Now I'll open a door opening to this utility from kitchen. So this is the utility of kitchen. So I'll create a door opening to the utility from kitchen. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Okay. Now trim the extra lines. Now extend to this line, these two lines. Okay. Now trim the extra lines. Trim these two lines and trim this line. Okay. Now this is D2 is created. Now I'll fix this door. So mirror this. Now move this door. Move this to this point. Okay. Now D2 is created. Okay. Now I'll change. This is the utility. Now I'll delete this. I'll close this gate. Okay. So I'll delete this. So select and delete. Now I'll extend, EX enter, extend these two lines towards this. So extend these two lines. Now delete this and this. Okay. Now this is closed. Next I'll change this window. Okay. So this window is W2. Now this is 6 feet 5 inch into 6 feet height. Okay. So here delete this, select and delete. Now I need to draw a line here to get the midpoint. So draw a line here to get the midpoint. Now I need to change the layer. Change to window layer. Make window layer current layer. So now take a line command. Now draw a line on midpoint. Okay. Now give offset of 3 feet and 2.5 inch to each side. Give offset distance 3 feet and 2.5 inch to this side and to this side. Now linear. Now see, this is 6 feet and 5 inch. Okay. Now delete the middle line. Now delete this line. Now trim the extra lines. TR enter. Trim this. Now draw a line on midpoint. Now give offset of 1 inch to each side. Give offset distance 1 inch. Now select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. Okay. Now I'll change the line type. So select. Now this is dashed. Now right click. Go to properties. Now change the line type as 15. Okay. Now this is created. Now I'll create the chassis. So give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Okay. Now again take offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. Now select this line, click to this side. Now extend these two lines towards this. So EX enter, select this line, now extend this and extend this line. Now trim the extra lines. Trim this line, also trim this and this line. Now I'll do mesh properties of chassis. So this is chassis. Select MA, enter. MA is the shortcut key of mesh properties. Now this is done. Now copy this. So this is W2. Rename this as W2. Okay. So this is W2. So next, now check this is 6 feet and 5 inch. Okay. So this is created. So next, this veranda will be the balcony. This is the cantilever balcony. So rename this as balcony. This will be the cantilever balcony. Okay. So this is the first floor plan is created. Here we are not going to change anything because in first floor, ground floor and first floor, all rooms are same as ground floor. Okay, except portico or balcony. Okay, so this is created. So here other next floors means second, third and fourth floors are also same as first floor. Okay, so next video I'll create elevation section and column layout plan. So now I'll add other required blocks to the plan. Okay, so here I'm not going to create all the blocks because AutoCAD already contains library of blocks and that library is called design center. Okay, so you can use command add center to open design center and shortcut key of add center is ADC. Okay, so here I'll add other required blocks. Okay, so here add center is the command to open the design center and shortcut key is ADC. Okay, so you can use shortcut key as ADC. You can also open design center by pressing Ctrl 2. Okay, so by pressing Ctrl 2 key on your keyboard, you can also open. Just press the Ctrl key and 2 key simultaneously. Okay, to get the design center interface. Okay, so I'll just press Ctrl 2 to get the design center interface. You can also open design center by click on insert tab. Okay, here this is the insert tab. So click on insert tab and here on this side you can see design center icon. This is the design center icon. Okay, now you can just click on this icon to open design center. Okay, so this is open, but I always prefer to press Ctrl 2 to get the design center interface. Okay, so press Ctrl 2 to get the design center dialog box. Okay, so see, this is design center dialog box is opened. Okay, now in order to return to the default view, just click on home icon. Okay, so this is the home icon. Click on the home icon to return to the default view. Here you can select all blocks from this list as per your requirements. Okay, so here we need blocks for house designing. So for that, double click on house designer. Okay, so again double click here on blocks. So now we have these blocks. Now you can select your required type of blocks from here. So just select the block which you require and drag and drop it here like this. Okay, now you can see here we have this block in window layer. Okay, so we want this on block layer, so make block layer as current layer. This is the make block layer as current layer. Okay, now it's done. Now delete this. Now select the block and drag and drop it here. Now see, this is done. So like this you can drag block as per your requirement. So first this is the bathtub. Now I'll select the faucet. Select and drag. Next I'll select the toilet. This toilet block. Select and drag and drop it here. Next I'll select this sink. Okay, now next click on home icon again. Now go to home space planner, double click here, double click on blocks. Okay, Now here drag this is the queen size bed. Okay, next rectangular table, drag and drop it here. Now I'll drag the dining set. Next I'll drag the 7-inch sofa, 7-feet sofa. Next 5-feet sofa. Next I'll drag this plant. Next drag this lamp. Okay, now we need some blocks from the kitchen. Okay, so next go to home icon. Now I need some blocks for the kitchen, so double click on kitchen, double click here on blocks. Now select refrigerator, drag this refrigerator. Now next I'll drag this oven. Next I'll drag this double sink. Alright, now I don't need more blocks for this drawing area. Okay, now if you want more blocks, then you can select more than this, but for me this is sufficient number of blocks for this drawing area. Okay, so let's close this dialog box. I don't need more than this, so close this. Okay, so now I'll add all these blocks in the drawing area. Okay, means I'll move these blocks to their required position. Okay, alright, so first I'll take this sofa. This is the 7-feet sofa, so move this to here. Now I'll rotate this, select and rotate. Okay, now move this to this point, make auto off. Now place it just here. Okay, just that's okay. Go to properties. Now this is 7-inch. Okay, match properties, this, that's alright. Okay, so now I'll move this table to this point. So select, move to this point, move this to this position. Okay, next I'll move this sofa. This is the 5-feet sofa. Now select, rotate this. Okay, now move this to this point. Okay, now place it here. Move this towards this just slightly. Move this very slightly. Move this. Okay, move this. Alright, so this is done. Move this little bit towards this direction. Alright, now I'll move this dining set. So move this to here. Now I'll rotate this. So rotate. And move this little bit towards this. Now move the text towards this. Alright, this is done. Next, I'll move this sink and place it here. Okay, so next I'll create a TV here, television. So take a rectangle. This is a television. This is a television is created. Okay, this is done. So next I'll take this queen size bed to the bedroom. So select, move and place it here. Now move this text towards this. Now select do match properties. Alright, now just move this. Okay, now I'll rotate this bed, rotate this. Now move this little bit towards this. This is very easy. Okay, now place it here. Okay, now it's okay. Just little bit move. Alright, now I'll move this lamp. I need a table here. So create a table, take a rectangle, RAC, enter. So this is a table created. Okay, now move this lamp to here. Okay, again I'll create table this side, RAC, enter. So this is another table is created. Okay, so now I'll take all these features to another bedroom. Just move this little bit towards bed. So I'll move this to this bedroom. So I'll mirror this to match properties. Okay, now I'll mirror all these another room. So select, mirror, MI, enter. Now this is the first point, click. Now this is done. Okay, so this bedroom is done. Now if I want to okay, so I want to keep the plant there. Okay, so select and move this plant to here on the bedroom, this side also keep it here, and I'll keep it on balcony. Okay, so next I'll move this toilet, select, move this to here, and I'll rotate this, match properties, this text, move this text. Now I'll rotate this select, okay, now select and move this, sorry, I will mirror this, okay, now I will move this, select, move to this point, fix it here, okay. Now I'll keep it on that toilet, so select and copy to this point, okay. So this is done. So I need to create a ventilator on this toilet, so copy and paste, okay. So delete this, just move this little bit, okay. Now delete this. Alright, now I'll take this bathtub to here, and move this to this position, okay. This is done. Move this text. Now move this sink, so select, copy, I'll copy this sink. Now rotate this sink, and move, place all the features as per your requirement, move to this point, okay. Now I need to copy this sink and bathtub to another toilet, so select, copy to this point and place it here, okay. So next, match properties, this text, alright. Next I'll copy this bathtub to this toilet, copy and place it here, okay. So this is done. So next I'll move this faucet to the toilet, just rotate this, and fix it here, move and fix it here, okay. Also copy this to another toilet, to this toilet, so select, copy and fix it here, okay. So it's done. So next I'll fix here, so copy this toilet, select, copy, okay. So next I'll rotate this, okay. Now I'll move this to this point, move and fix it here, okay. Fix it here. Now it's okay. Just move little bit towards this direction, okay. So next, do mesh properties, this text, alright. Move this. So next I'll copy this bathtub, so copy this to this point. So next rotate this, So I'll place it here, place it here. Okay, just move little bit. Okay, so next I'll copy this sink and place it here. Okay, so this is done. Now copy this faucet, copy, and I'll rotate this. Now move to this point. Okay, so this is created. Okay, now come to kitchen. Okay, so here I need to create the slab. Move this text, mass properties, move this text. Okay, now move this text towards this. Okay, also move this. Now see, these are very easy things. Okay, now I'll create kitchen slab. Okay, so for that, give offset command, give offset distance 3 feet, select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Okay, now trim this line and this line. Now extend this line towards this. EX enter, select this and extend this line. Now this is the slab, this is the kitchen. Okay, so now I'll move this oven, move this, sorry, this is the sink, double sink, place it here. Okay, so next I'll move the oven, this is the sink, this is the oven, I'll move this oven. Now I'll rotate this, select and rotate. Now just place it here. Move little bit to this direction. Okay, now this is done. Move this towards this. Now I'll move the refrigerator, select, move to this point. Now I'll rotate this. Place all the features as per your required position. Okay, now move this and place it here. Okay, and this is done. See, all the blocks are placed properly. Okay, this is living room, dining area. This is the dining set. This toilet, sink. This is bathtub. This is toilet. This sink. This is the faucet. This is toilet, sink. This is the bathtub. Now this is also the toilet. Okay, it's the bedroom. Okay, this is also bedroom. See, all the blocks are placed properly. Okay, so like this. You can place any kind of blocks as per your requirement. Okay, So in next video, I'll create the front elevation and section with column layout plan. So hope you like this video. This is the first floor plan. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.